Alright guys, just open this up. This is a lock from Ray Mormon versus Bosnianbill. He sent one in before, so obviously this is round 2. Starring a, let's see, 5-pin Yale number 8 keyway. He tells me what the bidding is, so the key doesn't matter if we look at that, I guess. It says it's full of special stuff and ball bearings. Pretty cool little display case there. It does come with a letter. It says you're getting another challenge lock. I know this will be hard to believe, but there are no modifications to the lock and plug. To be fair, you get one hint. There are no spools, serrated, mushroom, T-pins, threading, or undercuts. All right, Ray, let's see what we got here. Let me go and clamp it up, and hopefully we don't need that stinking key. Let's see if we can pick our way into this thing. Oh, crap. All right, guys. This is my second attempt. I just started it, and I'm going to have to declare whipped by Raymond Mormon. I just broke my pick. Let me set him off to the side. I've actually broken 2 others on this lock. I got another little hook here. I just broke that one, and on the first attempt, I was trying to do some raking, and dang if I didn't break off a Bogota. All these are 25,000s. I don't get it. There's something very, very stiff in here. I think it's probably the springs, but it just seems like everything's wedging up in there, and it's just not giving you any feedback. So let's go ahead. Well, I hate to throw in the towel in just a second try, but I can't afford to keep breaking picks. All right, Ray, you got me. Let's see what you got to say here. Unsealed following for a full explanation if I forfeit. So I'm declaring a forfeit. Let's see what we got. We can all learn this together. I think Ray's got a lesson to teach us. Let's see here. I don't know if you guys can make it out on the camera, but this is, I noticed that the top pin holes of many mortise cylinders were drilled out to 0.127 inches, an easy slip fit for a full 1/8 inch pin. So I made new top pins from 1/8 stainless steel rod. The pins are a full 0.125, 1/8 of an inch in diameter for half of their length, and then very gradually taper to just below 0.115, the standard diameter of bottom pins. These tapered pins now wedge into the bottom pin holes, that explains some broken picks, and force the plug straight. Just like anti-bump pins, they may not even touch the bottom pin. Good luck fighting against the mechanical advantage of a wedge. Yeah, I didn't have too good a luck. I think you see that. The heavier springs come from auto wheel valves. All right, let's take a look at Ray's handiwork. Move all this stuff out of the way, all my broken picks out of the way. I knew there had to be something to it. It couldn't just be springs. All right, let's see if we got a Phillips here. Let's see if that's the right one. Yeah, this could get expensive picking this one for sure. So Ray, I'm going to have to send you a bill for my 3 picks, and you can send it in Bitcoin if you'd like. All right, we're down to the clear one. And let's see if the key works. If it doesn't work, that would be great. Come out of there. All right, I had no idea what the bidding looked like, but this doesn't surprise me. A nice low one right in the front. Let's see if it works. Okay, I took the tailpiece off. Need to be careful. Wow, really stiff going in there. I know there are ball bearings, and I think that explains why he put those in there to ease with the key going. It's very stiff. Coming in and going out. Going in and coming out. This has me really blown away. All right. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put that back in there and let's gut it. Take a look, see what we got. It's probably going to come out with quite a bit of force. Let me use the follower that he gave me. Okay, make sure we're lined up here. All right, it's only a 5-pinner. We knew that. All right, we shouldn't be seeing any alien technology in here according to Ray's note. And so we got a ball bearing and looks like just a standard driver pin. And 2, same thing. 3, same thing. So You got ball bearings in all of them. And I kind of felt the ball bearings really slick going in there. Nothing. So he wasn't fibbing to us. All right, this is where we're going to see some magic. Well, there's something down the side of there, a little screw with like a wood plug or something. So if I drop the pin, it won't fall all the way through. That's a good thing. All right, Ray, let's see what you got. Wow, check that out. I mean, something in there has really got a lot of tension on that follower. Come on, there we go. Okay, well, there's no tension on the first one for sure. And he won't even come out of there, I think. These are, looks like at least this one is captive. Isn't that a bear? All right, let's see what we got on the next one. I wonder if they're all captive like this. I'm going to slide that down. Hopefully you'll be able to see this on camera. And the second one is also captive. Oh, there we go. Finally got number one out. I don't know if you can see that taper or not. Come on, camera. Focus for me. Oh, man. First time I had to use needle nose pliers to pull these guys out. Okay, again with a taper. Definitely steel, because I go to a lot of trouble to magnetize all of my tools, so it can be really inconvenient when I work with steel stuff. No, I keep everything stupidly on a, there's another tapered one, and that's easier to see the taper on this guy, if the camera will play right. All right, let's go in from the back. I mean, even with just two pins left, check it out, it's still really tight. All the same, guys. Wow, he really shot, but no spring popped out of there. Let's take a look at what these springs from air valves. Very stiff. Wonder if they're all the same. Yep. There's still one in there, but it looks like they're all the same. Very stiff little springs. A lot of pressure on those pins, I tell you. So you got to fight your way up, and then, of course, what he said is they wedge in there. Goodness gracious. All right, well, I hope commercial lock makers don't pick up this technique, because our hobby is going to become very rapidly obsolete. This is what we're looking at, guys. Ball bearings, of course, all go on the bottom. Ray Mormon. Hold on. I got one here for you. I wasn't expecting to give up on the second try. Usually I don't pull these out until I'm on my last attempt. But, okay, you're going to get a brown one, Ray. And there you go. Donated by Packlock. Whipped by Ray Mormon. With some very unique alien technology. Appreciate it, Ray. Everybody else, stay safe, stay legal, stay away from Ray's locks.